Here's a side hustle you can start if you don't want to show your face and have no money to invest. The first step is to go to digistore24.com. Then you need to create an account and go to register now. Select on the left side your category. And then as you can see, here's fitness and health. And here we go to the commissions, earnings around $23, $40, etc. Then you need to go to pexels.com and search for pictures. For example, fitness. And here you can download all fitness pictures. Go to Pinterest, click on create pin, and fill in here your information. And fill in at destination link your affiliate link. And once you came up this site and somebody buys from your affiliate link, you get a commission. And that is called affiliate marketing. If you want to learn more, follow this profile.